Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna change the batteries in my UPS, which is IBM 7500. It's got 32 batteries, so it's quite the journey. And let's go! Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my UPS. It's got the dead battery. It's showing as it's full, but if I run the test, the battery switch to the, and after the self-test it's got the error. First things first, we need to remove the blanking plate, and then there are like 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, that we need to remove to get access to the batteries. So like this, they are screwed by hand, so nothing special, and there are our 4 packs of 32 batteries. So the battery will, the UPS will continue to run, and you can pull out the batteries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, I labels each battery pack. The UPS just started beeping because I removed the batteries. So let's get them out of there, and let's go change it to the table. So I transferred the batteries. There are 4 packs. They are 18 kilos each, and it's quite a workout to move them around. In one of this pack, there are 8 of these small batteries. It's like car battery, lead acid. It's a 12 volt, a 5 ampere, but smaller than your average car. So we're going to change the batteries in one of this pack, and then I'll show you like the time lapse of remaining, and we're going to plug them back to the UPS, and I'll show you that it is working and you don't need to buy the whole new pack, which costs much more. To change the battery in one of the packs, you will need Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, and some other pliers, because one hand it's not enough. So to open the battery, there are 2 screws, one here and one here. So we remove them. Okay. So we remove the screws. Now we go, and this pack like got this sliding mechanism and or cover, as you can, and you slide it out. There are 4 tabs, and you can slide it out like that. So this is the not special cover. You place it somewhere safe. Okay, so there are two pieces of like this plastic or something like that. And now this is the unsafest part, because there is 120 volts at this plug, because 8 batteries. So we just come and unplug one of these connectors. This is like, I will show you closer. This is, where is it? This connector, this is the series connector. It's only one that's going in the full length of the battery. And to unplug this, you just come with the pliers and just grab it, and to the side it's working for me best, and ta-da! You put it somewhere safe on the side, so you didn't touch it anymore. Now we remove all the cables. You don't need to memorize which goes where, because there is only one way to place these cables. There is the long ones, which are series, and then the short one, which are connected to the inside, and they are coming in a loop. In first batteries, there is input ground, and there is a fuse here, I don't know if you see that. There is a fuse locating inside of this heat shrink tube. There are cables coming inside, so you will not break it if you pull on it, so it's okay. So now I removed all the cables. This connector is tricky because it's got a short, very short cable. So what I do sometimes, I just remove the battery, one of them, and place it in front of you exactly as you got it out. It should be much easier to memorize how they are placed inside. There are these plates which are just spacers. They are made of plastic, so be careful. These are old, so they will break if you bend them or something. I will place it. So now you can like push this battery in more, and now you can remove this connector. It will be much easier to do it. So the batteries are out. You can look at the batteries. If they are leaking or something, you need to clean up this shelf, because sometimes it will have the rust on the bottom. If the rust is severe, you need to change this. This is like 150 euros, I know that, but you should change it. Look at the connector. Connector shouldn't be broke or something, because if it is, you will have the problems. But this looks quite okay. It's old, so okay. And this is our new battery that are going in. As you can see, it's 5 amp hours and 12 volts, and 8 of this. So place them inside, remove these covers, place them inside and slide it back, as old battery should, as the old battery. So 1, 2, don't forget the spacers. Okay, so we install all the new batteries. Now we can connect back the cables. Okay, and the last one, we need to connect this series cable. It's going like inside of the battery pack, in the middle between the batteries, and it's connecting to the last battery plus terminal. Okay, if your connectors are like bent up, like this one, like this one, you just push down, they will stay there. It's nothing special. Go grab this plastic and place it back inside the battery to cover the terminals of the batteries. So like that. Make sure each cable is inside. Make sure it's inside of these channels, so no cable poke out. So when you grab the top shield or part, I don't know, you will not short anything. It should be you should not short anything anyway, but safety first. Now you grab this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are going to slide inside. You need to bend the back, so it is like a spring, so you need to bend it and force it some ways. I forgot about this connector. So you need to force it one, and the other side, don't slide it, just pick up the other side and bend the casing so the tabs go inside of the channels. Now just push, and don't forget the screws. And now we have one battery pack with replaced batteries. These are old, they are going to the junkyard, and we need to do 3 more. So see you. Okay, so my camera battery died, sorry for that. You missed only one pack, so it should be okay. So I have all 4 packs replaced like here. I have labeled them, and we are ready to put them back. So you just grab one of them, and same as they are going out, you push them back. This connector you need to press down and push the battery fully in, and you need this brown connector to just push it in with your finger. So 1, maybe like this. It's a little bit heavy, but it should go in like this. 2, 3. These are really heavy, so it's quite challenging. And last one. That and plug in. So, as you can see, the UPS is not beeping anymore because it got the battery. It thinks that these batteries are full, but it's always, you need to reset the timer or the self test. So now you need to press this test button and hold it. Now the UPS is going to do a self-test. It is running on its internal inverter, and this should last like a few seconds. So the UPS stops blinking, and you see that there is no error. So the batteries are successfully replaced. So this is all, guys. Now you can put back the shields one, and don't forget about the battery doors. So like this, there are like cables, so you need to push them up, and it's like spring, so you need to press and then turn the knob. So this is all. Now we're going to go to the PC. Okay, so we need to go to the diagnostics and run the calibration, runtime calibration. This should take like this 20 minutes, because it should run the full batteries to the like 5 or 10%. Your servers will not get the message that you should power down or something like that, so the UPS will switch back, and I will be back when this will be done. Okay, I'm back. So the battery runtime test has just finished. It's working okay. I put the screenshot on the side, so you can see that the runtime time is pretty long. The batteries are new, so it should be, and everything is working. So I'll show you how to change the batteries. You can do it too. It's pretty simple, nothing special, and you could save some money. So I hope this video will help you, and I see you next time. Bye!